Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apify integration not working on Cloud AI. So a quick one guys, you can see over here, the Cloud AI can't really detect the Apify integration despite the fact that it's there. Now you come and click on the profile section, click on your settings, then after that click on connectors, then click on customize. Then you have to click over here on this plus, then click on add custom connectors. But for my case, I already added one more custom connectors, and for the free plan, they only allow you to get one custom connector. But basically, you have to click on this add custom connector and then follow the same prompts. Okay. Now in the add custom connector, you'll have to paste in the following. You'll have to paste in https://mcp.amplify.com. Okay, and you're good to go. Otherwise, you can also try out this other method. Click on the plus icon, click on browse connectors. Now over here, come and search and make sure that the Amplify is connected. If it's not there, then method number one will be the best to do. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet